your heart is tired, know that some door of acceptance from heaven is opening to help you. A woman's tears are not shed in her pain as much as the words that insult her make her cry. A wise person always hides his pain, worries, and worldly knowledge from his family. People don't deceive us. We ourselves are deceived. Our beliefs, our trust, and above all, our expectations deceive us. Making a decision before hearing both sides of the argument is like making a mockery of justice. Success is not sold in the markets, but is achieved by a person through determination and courage. On one side, there are thousands of liars, and on the other side, there is one true person. You always support the truthful person. The best relationship in life is the one where, after a disagreement, life becomes the same again, with a simple smile and apology. Don't break friendship with even the person who apologizes to you after every mistake. Develop your own abilities. The world considers those who prove themselves capable by finding faults in others as fools. If you want to make a place in someone's heart, call them directly and by their full name. No need to worry. Every lost thing is found again in some other form. The greatest test of courage on earth is to endure everything without giving up if you do good to someone and receive evil in return. Then consider that your good deed has been accepted. Even if your parents give you wrong advice 100 times, never speak harshly to them. Always be patient in hardship. For gold is tested by fire, and a believer is tested by hardship. The one who speaks a few words of comfort in moments of weakness becomes very close to the heart. Always like people in life whose hearts are more beautiful than their faces. The greatest difficulty on the path of truth is that a person is left alone. Your happiness is the greatest punishment for those who hate you. Expressing your pain to someone who cannot understand your silence is just a waste of words. When there is injustice in society, two types of people remain silent: the selfish and the cowardly. Always choose kindness even when it feels difficult, because gentle actions carry a long-lasting impact that quietly shapes relationships and strengthens your confidence in becoming a better human being every day. Learn to stay calm during stressful moments, since a peaceful mind helps you understand situations clearly and make wiser decisions that protect your emotional stability and future well-being. Spend time with people who genuinely support your growth, because surrounding yourself with positive energy makes your journey lighter and encourages you to stay consistent with your dreams. Be patient with yourself, as personal progress takes time, and slow improvement is still real improvement that builds strong character and lasting mental resilience. Forgive others not because they always deserve it, but because releasing heavy emotions frees your mind and allows you to move forward with a healthier heart. Focus on what you can control in life, since worrying about things beyond your reach wastes energy that you could use to build something meaningful and valuable. Take responsibility for your actions, because owning your mistakes helps you grow maturely and improves your ability to make better choices in the future. Celebrate small achievements regularly, because recognizing tiny steps keeps your motivation alive and makes long-term goals feel possible instead of overwhelming. Speak honestly, but with kindness, since truthful communication builds trust and prevents unnecessary misunderstandings that could damage important relationships. Learn to say no when needed, because protecting your boundaries is essential for maintaining emotional balance and preventing burnout in your personal and professional life. Keep learning new skills, as continuous learning keeps your mind active, opens new opportunities, and strengthens your ability to adapt to unexpected life changes. Spend time alone sometimes, because quiet moments help you understand your emotions, organize your thoughts, and reconnect with what truly matters to you. Treat failure as a teacher, not an enemy, since every mistake carries lessons that can guide your next steps and make you stronger than before. Be grateful for everyday blessings, because gratitude shifts your focus from what you lack to what you already have, bringing peace and emotional clarity. Protect your mental health by avoiding negative environments, as constant exposure to toxic behavior drains your strength and damages your long-term happiness. Listen carefully when someone speaks, because paying attention shows respect, improves relationships, and helps you understand people more deeply and empathetically. Plan your goals clearly, since knowing what you want directs your energy, sharpens your focus, and increases your chances of achieving meaningful success. Stay humble no matter how much you accomplish, because humility keeps you grounded and helps you continue learning without letting ego block your growth. Take breaks when you feel exhausted, as rest is necessary for your mind and body to recover and continue performing at their best. Choose friends wisely, because the people you spend time with influence your habits, mindset, and the direction your life naturally begins to follow. Practice self-discipline daily, since consistent habits create long-term success and help you stay committed even when motivation becomes weak. Be open to change, because life constantly shifts and adaptability helps you handle new situations with confidence and emotional strength. Give without expecting anything in return, because generous actions build inner peace and create meaningful connections based on honesty and genuine care. Control your reactions, since responding calmly prevents unnecessary conflicts and helps you maintain respectful communication even during difficult conversations. Stay honest with yourself, because self-awareness allows you to understand your weaknesses, recognize your strengths, and build a more meaningful version of yourself. Spend more time doing things that inspire you, since passion fuels your creativity and gives you long-lasting motivation to chase your dreams. Learn to manage your time properly, because good planning helps you complete important tasks without feeling stressed or overwhelmed. Respect different opinions, as understanding others' perspectives makes you more mature, open-minded, and capable of building peaceful relationships. Be consistent with your efforts, because steady progress over time brings greater results than sudden bursts of motivation that quickly disappear. Take care of your health every day, since your body supports every dream you want to achieve and deserves proper attention and respect. Keep your promises, because reliability builds trust and shows others that your words carry meaning, strength, and responsibility. Avoid comparing your life with others, as everyone moves at a different pace, and your true success depends on your own personal journey. Stay hopeful even during difficult times, because faith in better days gives you strength to keep moving and overcome challenges that once felt impossible. Practice mindfulness daily, since staying present in the moment helps reduce stress, improves focus, and brings calmness to your mind and emotions. If a woman no longer wants sex, it's a sign that you hurt her emotions badly. Be gentle with your words, because the way you speak can heal or hurt, and choosing kindness protects your relationships while creating a peaceful environment. Sometimes the quietest choices we make become the loudest forces shaping our lives, reminding us strength often grows in silence rather than applause or recognition. Hope is not a distant light, but a gentle spark within us, rising each time we choose courage over fear and purpose over doubt today.